Anybody want a Starmint? No? Yeah, sure, it looks tasty. Hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. Gonna do like a mini update here today. I've got a few projects going on. There's some mud flaps going on this Range Rover hopefully, and I got the rear hatch struts for my Rover because that's exactly what that car needs, rear hatch struts. I maintain though, because that hatch actually works, and it works well, and it looks nice, that it needs those. So stay tuned. Let's see where this evening takes us. So it looks like Troy was able to hang these, but he was not able to use the original holes to mount these on because they were just, the bolts had just been so rusted and were just not going anywhere. And these had all been ripped off. I believe mine is the only one that still has mud flaps on it that are from the factory that have not just torn completely off, sheared off at the top. So yeah, it really makes it nice. I think these things are like 17 bucks on Rover's North. So yeah, if you need a set of these, and they really do kind of finish off the back of the vehicle, highly recommend it. I do have my new struts in here. Apologize, I'm sure the wind is going crazy. It's just super windy today for some reason. We might get a storm. And put these on. Let's see how this goes. All right, well hopefully, all I need is this little screwdriver that I took out of the E36 M3 trunk. Pop these clips off. And it should come right off, yeah, nice. And the new one should pop right on. And then I won't have to hold this with one hand while trying to do the other one. There's one. And the other. Easy. Let's do the other side and get this thing really squared away. These things came off really nicely. Yep. And this one. And then on and on. And well, there you have it. I now have a fully functional hatch. I mean, this is cool. This one is rust-free, as you can see. It's just beautiful along here. And the hatch works, the clasp works. And it opens by itself and it stays up. This would have been so nice to have when I was working on that fuel pump and just trying to get everything squared away under there and just not having to hold it up with your head while you're screwing in a fuel pump and connecting all the lines up and everything. Would have been very nice to have, but now I have it. Again, I think these are like $17 on Rover's North. They're not the factory Land Rover parts, they're Pro Line, but hey, very little of this is still factory Land Rover at this point, I think, so you gotta go with what you got. I call that a success. Mud flaps and trunk hatch struts. Fantastic. I guess it would be a boot, wouldn't it? Well, it looks like I got my tail lamp covers back too, but I've noticed here, it'll focus, can it focus? Let's see, can you focus? Uh-oh, they've been removed. So much for the warranty. There is quite a bit of corrosion on these, so I think I might, sand these down a little bit and just hit them with a little bit of black paint just before I put them on because, again, why not? The vehicle has patina, but those can look nice. They're not going to look perfect. They're not going to look like when they still had a warranty on them. But I think that'll look pretty good. It'll give me something to do, and yeah, why not? So here's the other question. This came on my vehicle. If you look at the video when we first picked these up, the intro shots and all of this vehicle with this on. Oops, noisy Jetta. It's obviously in really rough shape and needs to be painted and all, and I'm not sure I want to put it back on. But obviously it matches the light bars in the back with these front light bars, which are apparently removable. So I'm not sure if I want to put it back on. So hey, why don't y'all let me know in the comments below if you want to see me put that back on and get, kind of refurbish it a little bit, because I'm just not going to put it on when it's totally nasty. Drop me a line and let me know. This just doesn't get old. It just doesn't get old. It's just fantastic. It's a simple thing. It really is, but I'm really enjoying it. it was so easy to do. It took me all of 30 seconds. It's just such an enjoyable thing. Like, if you have bad trunk struts on your car, replace them. It makes life so much easier. And while I'm discussing my Rover and making it look better, I think simply by painting these pillars here between the doors in black, like a matte black, will make it look so much better. Again, it has patina, clear coat's obviously, you know, chipping off in the wind, but I think just painting these two, like taping off the door jambs and just shooting that with like some black Rust-Oleum matte or something would just make this look so much better. Because again, it's, you know, patina, it's an off-road vehicle, it's fine. It's never going to look like it did when it was brand new, but these definitely let it down. And yeah, they can look like those do on that one, which is older, but looks better because they're not discolored like that. I got it. Hey!
Yeah, remember how cool that
Holy shit.
A little
We'll
windy.
edit that out in post.
Oh no, this is much more fun to not edit this out. Is it too windy to light fire in the hole?
Yeah, asking the real questions.
Will it hit Troy? That's not a car making that noise for once. Well, yeah, it's been 2 weeks, so let's give this one a start and see how she fires up. The lights came on when I opened the door, like that one. But there's a weird light on the dashboard here, right there. And I don't know what that one's for. Let's see what happens when I start it. Actually, let me try. This was lighting up. Oh, it kind of, nah, not anymore. It must be dead. I haven't started it yet. Let me see. Radio off. Yeah, I mean, it's blowing air. See if the seat heater works.
What's that? Is that the suspension light?
Oh, the light's off now.
Well, maybe
Oh, that?
a whole bunch of new lights. Yeah, I think that's
ABS
suspension.
brake. Yeah, it could be suspension. Let me see.
We should look up. We gotta look up where that module is on the seat and see if we can
And-
make it do something. 'Cause it's doing nothing, and I feel like it should do something.
Like, yeah, I mean, I don't even hear it like airing up or anything.
Yeah. Mike's at least got the compressor kicked
Yeah.
on a little
Oh, just hold on so it doesn't hit the rolls. Yeah.
bit.
Yeah. I mean, the radio came back on and everything. I mean, oh, it went off.
Alright, oh good.
Interesting.
Is your e-brake on?
Yeah, e-brake's on.
Watch.
Yep. So, washer fluid, and the ABS has been on and off. So,
That'll probably go off. Well, that's
see.
something to do with the switch.
subwoofer's on.
Well, that's sweet. It's not blinking or beeping or doing anything stupid.
Doesn't seem to be. Well, it can't beep anymore. Lights should be on. I turned the
Yeah,
headlights on.
It's not
High
blinking
beams.
or anything, you know?
Yeah. So this is a problem. Like, it won't. Like, the turn signals don't do anything.
It's not a fuse.
I don't know. I haven't even looked into it. I remember that from when we were driving it, but the alarm was going off, so it was blinking all that stuff.
Well, you hold the door.
Yeah. So with the door shut, it's not too noisy in here. I mean, even with the, you know, the exhaust issues. I've been holding the door open because I don't want to hit this lovely Rolls Royce with a tan Everflex roof. Let's see, and yeah, the hazards don't work either. So it's either a relay or something.
We know they work.
Yeah, they definitely blink. Wiper blade. Oh yeah, the various and sundry issues with that. Definitely blowing air. I didn't even try the mirrors. Yeah, no mirrors. At least not that mirror. It's interesting. Switch to air. It still blows, but not anywhere near as hard. Huh. Very interesting. And if this thing blew cold air, I know it's not going to, but how awesome would that be? Oh. Now they're working. They're working now. Yeah, I just noticed that. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing how these things just start coming back to life. Okay, this one's out. The passenger side one isn't working, it's out. Both of these work back here? Oh, so both right-hand bulbs are out then. That's awesome. Just have to let things run sometimes. That never gets old. Well, hey, we've got some weather moving in tonight, so might have to cut this one a little short. But thanks again so much for watching. This was kind of a short Rover Rescue episode. You know, still gonna work on bringing you some other things. I've got some vehicle reviews in the pipeline that I'm wanting to do, so I hope you'll enjoy those as well. I believe this is my 50th video, if you include some that I uploaded years ago that I made like with a BlackBerry. So thanks so much for watching my 50th Doug's Cars video. I've had a blast making all these, and here's to 50 or more. 50 more. I don't know if there'll be 50 Rover Rescue videos, but you never know. These things seem to be going up in value. There was one today we saw him bring a trader. It was the L322, the newer model, that went for like 20 grand. I mean, yes, it was beautiful, and you know, yeah, well, actually, this isn't too bad. You know, nice armrests and everything, but still, 20 grand for one of the models that nobody really likes, like the second generation model. So that's just fantastic. So thanks again for watching. Y'all just keep subscribing. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. That would be awesome. I'm almost halfway there. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have that happen, and keep liking and commenting. I try to get to every comment as soon as I can, and I really appreciate each and every one of you who watch this. So once again, thanks for watching Doug's Cars. Okay, bonus content time. I'm inside the Rolls now, which is sitting next to my Rover, because why not? And I'd love to do the quirks and features of this car, but I'm not going to be driving anywhere. It's blocked in. However, here's a quirk and feature I can point out that I haven't seen on Doug DeMuro's channel. That GM radio that was in like every 1985 through 89 Cadillac, Oldsmobile Buick, Pontiac, whatever. I mean, I know they had a lot of GM stuff in here, but that radio is like a Delco with Dolby noise reduction on it. That's pretty cool. I know they use GM transmissions and GM air conditioning systems, because obviously we do AC best here in the US, and I think we still do, but fine Corinthian leather. Actually, this is probably, I probably smell the Wilton carpets that might have gotten a little wet. This is a cool car. Once again, y'all, thanks for watching.